Bring it. Awesome. What do you got to say, James?
Knuckles up. We're about to get this wrap on, man. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This thing's been a little time in the making, but we're gonna make it happen today, man. It's all about summer in the Sierras. Knuckles up, guys. Dude, I am so excited. Knuckles up, guys. I am so excited. Look at this. We got the wrap. Just pulled the car in the shop. We've been unrolling. Look at it. Look, this hood, and it just keeps going. It just keeps going. This is all the side. And don't forget, the #1 sponsor, Jabon. That's Jabon soap. I think the J is silent. Jabon. Anyway, so this is the wrap. I'm gonna stop here, but you can see that's the hood. This is passenger side. It's gonna be a good time, man. We're gonna see how long it takes us. We'll throw the camera on it and do a time lapse on it and see what happens. I'm excited, man. Knuckles up, guys.
How's it going, James D. Murray?
What's up, guys? It's going really well. This is, once you get the hang of it and you get all the proper, it's going good, man. We're doing good. It's definitely fun. It's trying. Never done it before. We've messed around with it once before. We did Steve's car, or he did his car, so it's coming along, man. It's fun. It's fun. We haven't lost any stickers yet, so let's see what happens. I'm stoked. Absolutely, positively stoked. User friendly for sure. What's up, guys? So the Wrapping the X3 project, we're about 5 hours into it. We just got back from lunch. We pretty much got it wrapped. We got a few more pieces that have to go inside the doors. But it's a pretty easy process. We got some bubbles we gotta work out here and there. You know, a little alignment problems. Depends on how OCD you are, but man, it's actually it told to change the outlook of the car. So, and what we did is we ended up with these big rolls. It's a roll with like just all these decals on it, and we cut out all the decals and laid them out the best we could, and then just started at it. We rubbed it. We cleaned the surface with alcohol. Let the alcohol dry, and then we've been using the Rapid Tack. It works great. You spray it on the back of the sticker and it keeps it from stick. If you can put it on, it lets you play with it a little bit till you get it dialed in where you want it. So I'm happy with it. Totally stoked. Change the outlook of the car. There's not another one out there. It's totally custom. So I'm stoked. Thanks, Ike. Ike at Point of Action is the one that put this together for us. We're learning. We're trying to get these things dialed in. So knuckles up, man. Thanks, Ike. What's up, guys? So we got the wrap done on the car. Real happy with it. I still got some little tweaking I want to do with it. You know, get a few more bubbles out, but it's exactly what I was wanting. We played around the computer, brought it to what it is, and super stoked, man. It took 2 of us about 8 hours with putting the Vendetta, you know, sliders back on and whatnot. But yeah, it's definitely legit, man. Very, very happy. Absolutely. I dig this right here. Inside it even goes inside the door a little. So it's kind of, you know what I mean? It's kind of cool. So when you shut it, it's still got the. Bam. Yeah, it's about dialed in, man. We'll see what we can do. See what you guys think of it when you see it in person. That's that knuckles up right there.